We're out here harvesting Donald. This farm grows canola, barley, and what's being harvested today, wheat. I grew up on Weet-Bix. Brett Lee did 7, Tim Cahill 9, and George Regan, well, he had
27.
Every Weet-Bix starts here. This is the header. You'll see these working around the clock, stripping. This is what's going on inside. The stripper header cuts the wheat heads off the crop. The grains are then transported inside the header into the collecting bin. Causes a mini dust storm out the back, which looks epic as you're driving along the countryside. The header's full, so the chaser bin, the header's partner in crime, is called to collect the grain. This literally happens while moving, to make sure the header is as efficient as possible. The chaser bin then transfers the grain into the mother bin. The grain is being shot out of an auger. This is what they look like inside. This wheat will be stored by filling up this white storage bag.
We officially
I actually caused a minor spillage of grain. Tomorrow, we're transporting the grain using a B double truck.